Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can buy a TV show character theme. So go to pick theme, make sure you have enough theme props. So buy the theme props first, and then you're just going to type your theme, for instance, TV show characters, and obviously select the regular theme. There's winter for your theme as well, and there's also a Valentine's theme that you can select regular and select confirm. And that's pretty much how you can buy like themes on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.